Good morning everyone, what's going on? Today I'm visiting Flic-en-Flac beach. So I'm going to show you how to get from Pereybere to Flic-en-Flac. I'll show you which bus to take, I'll give you the price. Right, there's a bus up very close to where I'm staying. It's like literally 100 meters to walk. Alright, so there are these cars that stop. As I mentioned to you in one of my other videos, they also go to Baie, most of them. So I actually want to go to Port Louis, so maybe the best is that I'll just wait on the bus. So guys, there's a bus number 82 that goes to Port Louis. He also goes past Baie, but if you can get the Express 82, that's even better because then there's fewer stops. So Flic-en-Flac beach is about 57 kilometers away from where I'm staying. I suggest when you come to Mauritius, guys, that you get a rental. I should have done that, but it's okay. I've actually enjoyed using public transport for the few days that I've stayed here. But if you don't have a rental, guys, there's taxis, there's the public transport, the buses, and also these private vehicles that act as taxis. So you're not lost when it comes to transport. Alright, we have arrived in Port Louis. That was 1 hour 30 minutes. But guys, if you can, just wait on the express bus because this one took forever. It is also Saturday, so it might be because there's more traffic, but I also think that he took a different route, and also there were many more stops, like many more. So do yourself a favor and actually check the timetable to see what time the express bus comes in Pereybere. I've got to go to the other side because now what needs to happen is I need to transfer to a different bus company to take the bus to Flic-en-Flac. I'm going to ask some of the bus drivers or conductors for some information. Remember this market? We've been through here the other day. So let's just ask. I'm going this way to ask for some directions, and then I'll let you know which bus to take to Flic-en-Flac. Alright, I just asked one of the conductors and he says this way, and it's bus number 123. It's gonna be about 44 rupees to go to Flic-en-Flac. I forgot to ask if it's a blue bus or a red bus, but it's okay, I'm just gonna check the numbers. Let's get the 123 Flic-en-Flac. Alright, we have arrived at Flic-en-Flac. This is the beach. It is called the Flic-en-Flac public beach, and as per usual, guys, it's only called a public beach because it's got access to parking, all these cafeterias, kiosks, food stands and toilets, and of course then also close access to the bus station. So that was an hour from Port Louis. I think it's a bit much, guys, because that was 2 hours 50 in total, or 2.5 hours in total from Pereybere. So and that's excluding the waiting time in between, because I had to wait on this bus. I think I waited about 20 minutes. But yeah guys, I think maybe the best option would be to get a rental or to hire a taxi or something. It's a similar feel to Monchoisi. I think all the beaches have the same kind of characteristics with the shade, the trees, and these are like your picnic areas. Welcome to Flic-en-Flac. What a lovely beach. It is huge. You know what guys, I'm actually just gonna go ahead and get myself something to eat. I haven't had breakfast yet, so I'm feeling it right now. So let's go to one of those food stands and see if we can find a little something. There's also an ice cream man. I'm not sure if I want that right now, maybe later. There's a chef's special fried noodle, that's with chicken, shrimp and egg, $2.95. Then there's also the rice, that's on special, also $2.95, the same. But there are also other things here, man. There's the burger, grilled chips, burger and fries, $2.50. The prices aren't too bad. There's a lamb burger and fries. So let's just go over to the other side. Here we have some ladies' clothing. There's some hats. KT fast food. Let's see, KT. Let's see what Katie's got. Yeah, some of the same stuff. Here we also have coconut and pineapple juices and stuff. Let's see what Gloria Fast Food's got. I've also seen Gloria Fast Food in Baie. They seem to be quite popular. You see now, look at Alan's Chez Doudou. Alright, if that's even the right way. They're not trying to tempt me with all these curry and rices, man. Hey guys, come on. But they're quite pricey though, I've got to say. Fish curry, 700. Alright, I've just gone for the easy meal again. The hot dog with chips. I'm gonna go for the noodles and shrimp with chicken later, guys. Let's consider this as my brunch. And then I want to have a solid lunch and dinner. And also, by the way guys, the conductor was telling me that the last bus out from Flic-en-Flac is 6:20. So then I've got to take that bus to Port Louis, and then, but he couldn't tell me what time the last bus is from Port Louis back to Pereybere. So I'm actually not gonna stay that long. Probably gonna spend like 3 hours here, and then I'm gonna go back. Hopefully not miss any of my buses. That would be bad. at this cool restaurant in the shape of a boat. Right, so I'm just gonna go up there, guys. I think there's a place called Sugar Beach, but I think Sugar Beach is a beach club and not the name of the beach. Then there is a beach called Pereybere Beach, which I think is also part of a beach club. But as you can see, guys, the beach just goes on and on. So it's endless. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go to the end of these palm trees and then see if I can find a pathway back to the main road, and then I think I'm gonna head on back to Port Louis. Resort was called Pereybere. I see there's Sugar Beach Resort. Oh, it's La Pereybere. Oh, they've got a sound music recording studio. Wow, interesting. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. That was just a quick introduction to Flic-en-Flac beach, the public beach, and then I also went to one of those resorts by accident and saw a different lifestyle. Thanks once again for hanging with me. I really appreciate that. I'm gonna head on back to the bus station to catch my ride back to Port Louis, and then from Port Louis back to either Baie or Pereybere, whichever bus I get. Hope I'm gonna get the express bus, but guys, because I don't feel like sitting for 2.5 hours again. So yeah, thanks once again. If you like this video, guys, please give us a like, give us a piece, and also guys, please follow and share, and I'll see you next time. Just having a soft serve, just a cone. Ah, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. All right. These are the prices of the other things. Keeping it plain and simple, guys.